First thing, take the 1 over to both sides. So it's negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so that's the first thing. Take the 1 over to both sides. Then divide everything by 2. When you divide by 2 everywhere, they cancel out. It's 1x in the middle. Bigger or equal to negative 3. Smaller or equal to 2. What does that look like on the number line? On the number line, you're going to say negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and the number line carries on. And now x must be bigger or equal to negative 3, so we include negative 3. It's included, so you make a circle and you color it in. From negative 3 all the way to 2. And 2 is also included. So on a number line it will look like this. X must be between negative 3 and 2. Okay.